This is the time you normally just roll right over, hey bud? Just roll right over.
Maybe pull up his sleeve so he doesn't drool and barf on them.
Pull him up like a cool dude.
Okay, good work, buddy.
I didn't even really help you in that. Let's put on your sleeve and whoop-de-doo.
Do it again,
Hey,
do it again.
last time you rolled over the other way. So this is good. Come on, bud. Dare you. I dare you to do it again. Come on. Huh? Yeah. Jack. Roll over. Roll over. Okay.
Come on, buddy. Okay, you got your head. Now keep going. Or is this the part where you stay for like half an hour?
It stays like that. He doesn't roll over all the way there.
You just have fun hanging out halfway, don't you? That sounds a little fake, Champ. Champ, you're having just so much fun.